Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to shop for collectibles on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then use the search bar to type in the product you are looking for. So we need to type specific keywords. So for example, I want to purchase some vintage coins. And press search button, and then you need to it's very important to apply some filters that are located in the upper left corner of your screen, and here in the category section you need to scroll down until you see collectibles. Choose it and you see all the collectibles. So yeah, that's basically how you can shop for collectibles on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.